Hello my beauties and welcome back to another video. Today I am trying out this awesome palette by ColourPop. It is called That All That. I don't know why I looked at it. I already knew the name, but I still looked at it to confirm that it was the name. I don't know. Moving on. So I'm gonna try a look, not a nook, a look with this palette because let's go on, I guess. So starting out, I'm already gonna get my eyebrows done. I've already primed them up with my usual, you know, my brow conditioner. And if you don't know all my usual, subscribe to the channel. That way you know whenever I whip out this bad baby, you already know. I gotta calm down, but you already know, okay? We about to fill in these eyebrows. So my number 6, using my number 6, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows ever so lightly. And as I stated before, I like using a fine tipped one because it does get it more, like, much better. That's the word I'd use in that particular way too, because apparently I'm good at English. I don't ask questions. But yes, I do like using a fine tipped pencil. Did I say brush at first? I said brush, didn't I? Okay. I already see what kind of like day this is gonna be. Oh, because all I'm doing with this pencil is going in and making just very fine hairs to match with the way my eyebrows are going, and then all I do is just take the brush and brush it out. Duh. I got itch on the side of my nose. I take the brush and just brush it out. That way I make sure, you know, it's all nice and blended. And I'm a lot closer to the camera right now. It's only because I'm trying to see my little thing a little better. So enjoy this very interesting close-up of just me just doing my eyebrows. Sometimes I do like to because I have like a weird like kind of slit in my eye. Whoa, eyebrow. I have a weird slit in my eyebrow. Okay, cool. And I like to leave it out sometimes just to identify that there's a little cut in my eyebrow. I don't know, look kind of cool, I guess. I really don't know, a little edgy. A little edgy, okay, I guess, I don't know. I liked it for like 2 minutes and I was like, who cares? I know I don't. I feel like I don't care about a lot of things sometimes. It's terrible. I'm working on it. People skills, you know? Brushing along to get it all nice and boom, there you go. I literally went to do it again. I don't know if you've seen that, but I was just like, okay. I'm looking at it closely. I'm like, yeah, this totally goes there. It's a distinct look from this cap too. I have a problem with this. I really do. What? Could someone explain to me what? I don't understand. Going in with my highlighter. Just underneath the arch right there, like so. I don't think I'll really blend it out unless I find it a little harsher, which I did here, and just to make sure it's not too vibrant. I don't know why I said it like that. I don't know what's up with me today. I didn't have like pop or anything, caffeine or anything. Using my brow setter to hold these bad boys in place so they don't get out of my face and just walk away. Boom. Eyebrows are primed and holding. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow and get this up out of the way because I know that's how I am. And no, I didn't put on any eyeshadow primer because I did not want to have an intense look that's just crazy and deserves eyeshadow primer. So I'm going in, oh gosh. I've used this palette like 2 times before, so if it's a little dirty, don't mind it, okay? Don't mind. I won't judge you, you don't judge me. It's simple as that. So I'm going in with the feels. It's like this black right here. It's a glittery black. You know how I feel about them glitters, but going in and just rubbing nice small circles on the corner of my eye right here. Nothing too crazy. And then when I pull it up, I just like that, like slight flick. Ooh, okay. And then blend it out. And I'm not going for nothing too dark and harassative. Harassative's a new word. You're welcome. I'm just going for something nice and light-ish. That's if I don't mess it up. I don't think I messed it up. By the looks of it, I didn't really mess it up. So I'm taking just a little bit because I'm going in the inner eye right here. Just putting it right there, like so. Nothing too outlandish. So, boom, there you go. You got a nice line and you're done. I'm kidding. Moving on to the other one. I'll show you when that's moving on to the other eye. I'm gonna quickly get this done and show you what I'm gonna do in the middle because you know, you must be curious. Moving on. I don't know what's up with the accent. I don't know. So other eye done. Oh my gosh, I kind of look a little scary, but don't worry about it. I'm worried about it, but don't worry about it. We're gonna fix it, okay? We're gonna add color to this because like I'm looking at it and I'm like, whoa, ooh, whoa. So I'm just gonna go in with the color, I think, Fishnets, I think. It looks a little chunky. You know how I feel about chunky glitter. It's kind of, So I might go with a red color actually, which I think I'll use either Silhouette or Wink Wink, which is Wink Wink's here, Silhouette's down here. I don't know. I feel kind of red today, so I think I'll do, I use Silhouette way too much, so I'll use Wink Wink. So putting it on my fine tip side, and if I don't like how I put it in the middle, then I'll layer it. Why not? I'll layer it a little bit with Silhouette. Silhouette is a much darker red than this. So if I feel that it's not too vibrant, then shoot, I'll go in with that. I don't know why I looked at my brush. I just was trying to make sure. Yeah, I think I might go into with Silhouette and just screw it and layer it. Who cares? I know I don't. As long as it looks decent or good. That's all I care about right now. Decency, which I feel like I shouldn't have gone all the way up there with it, but I don't really mind. I'll just blend it out. Just blend it out. It looks fine. It looks fine to me, at least, because it is my face, you know? I don't know why it kind of looks like I'm like tired. Who isn't? But it's because my eyelids for some reason just don't want to really like open. Oh. That's probably the reason why I won't open my eyes. All that crazy well. I just hate it though when sometimes palettes don't have what's it called? A mirror on them. I don't know why I forgot the word mirror for a second there. But that's okay. Don't be concerned. That's all I ask. Don't be concerned. So going in with Silhouette. Tapping it this time. I realized I didn't tap the last two times. That's probably why. But yeah. Oh, that is more vibrant. See, this is why I like the color Silhouette on here. Because it's just a lot more vibrant. And then all I do with my fat tip brush is, I don't know, the fan-ish brush, I guess you can call it. I just blend it out into the black. That way it looks more flowy. That's what I'm gonna say. Just in the center of my eye here, like so, and then blend it out on the sides. And whatever I feel is too, ooh, that's a lot of red. I just wiped it on my table. Ooh, whatever I feel is too aggressive on the black, I'll go in with the black right up in there and fix whatever I feel is too aggressive with the red. Which I think I need some more red. So I'm gonna take my big brush and just take the red and blend it outwards right where I just put that new set of black to. We love that. Putting it right over where you just did, because you forgot within like seconds. Just did. Oh, I thought I got red pigment in my eye. I'm like, wait a second. No, Amber, no. It's okay though. It's okay. Now, don't get me wrong. I know it's spring. I'm well aware of the spring colors, but really, I don't know why today, but this is like my mood-ish. Just dark, harsh colors, I guess. It's just how I feel. So welcome to the ride. I don't really know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Just hope we don't, I don't know what this is, but hope we don't do it. I'm very happy to do. if you can't tell. So, wiping off my brush because my red pigment for some reason is so vibrant. I'm gonna go with Risque, I think it is. Risque, it's like a glitter pink, very pastel glitter pink, and the glitter is very fine, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm just gonna try my best to get it right there. Just before, okay, that looks perfect. Just before the black, just where, no, say that again. Just right where the black meets my eye. I mean, my nose area. Right there and just upwards. Just like that, to give that like little area right there, just a little highlight. Just a little highlight. Which it does perfectly, and I'm trying not to panic about putting actual color right there, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm not fine, but we'll be fine. We'll all be fine. That way we can each just say, oh yeah, we're fine. Moving on. Now going in with my liquid contour. I don't think I'm gonna put on foundation, only because I really don't want to. Plus my skin look kind of good right now, so I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna put on no foundation. So I'm gonna take this color, which is very closely to my skin tone, under the eyes, because I don't sleep. Come on, who sleeps anymore? Honestly, I know I don't. That's a problem. Right under my eyes. And it doesn't matter if you don't put your liquid contour or any kind of contour where I put mine. That's okay. Do what you want with your look. I'm not here to mandate what you can and can't do. I'm here to encourage and give you ideas on what you want to do or try. Who knows? So I'm just gonna blend it out. And since it does match closely to my tone, I just blend it downward like so and blend it right into my skin, see? That way you can't really tell that I have a whole set, which it doesn't really get rid of my dark circles, but that's okay. It's fine with me for right now. So now that that's all done, I'm gonna go in and fix up my eyeshadow real quick, just to let y'all know. I'm gonna fix it up real quick, and then, cause I just want to add a more vibrant red look into the center so you can actually see it a little bit better, in my opinion. And then we'll go right on to the highlighter and blush and contour, all that fun stuff. Let's go. So now that I fixed that a little bit, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little bit more brighter, I guess, to me. My opinion, it's a little brighter than before. So now that that is all set, I'm going in with my blush, which is my Kaja. If I can find it, give me like 2 seconds and then it'll be here, hopefully. Alright, found her. Taking my Kaja and putting it in my normal areas, which is here. A little bit on the nose because I'm with that sun-kissed look. I think so. I'm gonna go like right across. Probably not, probably though. I kind of want to try it. And then same, I'm just gonna show you how aggressive I get with this. Very violent, I'll tell you that much. We're just trying this out. If I don't like it, you know, it's whatever, I'll live with it, who cares? Right under, like so. See, it doesn't, when you apply it for the first time, before you have to blend it out, I'm scared. Like, right now I'm scared, because looking at like this side and this side, I look like I just went jogging. That's the wrong side, I gotta put on this side. But once you blend it out, trust me, it is worth it. Okay, so now that I'm done looking like sweaty, I'll take my powder brush and just blend it out aggressively, because it is just liquid-ish. A stamp, I guess. So just blending it out, it should mellow down here, and I shouldn't look so aggressive. So that's all I do for that. See? It doesn't look like before, that's for sure. So just blending it down and out and stuff and all that fun stuff. Boom, sun-kissed look. Boom. Kaja, I love you. Sponsor. Maybe. Unless. Okay, moving on. So going to my favorite highlighter palette, and since this does hit that sun look I'm going for, kind of, I don't know, I'm using black, but whatever. We look past it, okay? Just look past it. I'm using my Essence Sunlighter palette, And I think I'm gonna go for the rose-ish gold that I have here. So taking my fan brush, I'm gonna go for this one. I put it in weird spots whenever I use a fan brush. So I just thought, oh, hello hair. Thought that was kind of weird. So right up the cheekbone right there. Probably don't pat it. Quickly finished up the highlighter. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I just put it here and a little on my nose because I like putting it on my nose because I'm weird. Who cares? I don't. I say who cares a lot. Trademark, I'm kidding. So moving on to my contour, I'm gonna get my contour powder just a little bit, probably not that heavy, because I feel like you don't need a lot of contour because your face is what it is. You have natural cheekbones, and what else you may have. Who really needs to give yourself like Angelina Jolie style? Unless that's what you're into, do what you want. But I'm just putting it right there to give it a little bit more definition. Just a little. Ooh, I put it on the dark side. I'm using the second to dark color here. Nothing too aggressive. And yeah, just I only put it under here. That's the only places I really do put it. I think one time I put it up here. I don't know why. I was like, let me be different. No, shouldn't have done that. Moving on to my eyes again, because can't leave these alone, which I feel like I don't need eyeliner, but I do need eyeliner at the same time. So I'm gonna whip up some eyeliner real quick. I don't want you to see this tragic, ooh, new words. I don't want you to see this tragic thing that I do with my eyes. So we're just gonna fast forward to the part where it's actually looking decent, okay? You won't have to suffer like I probably am about to. Okay, have fun. Eyeliner done, pain over. So now I'm gonna go in with my DragonLash mascara. Gotta grab it real quick because I always forget these things. I got it. Okay. So my favorite mascara, it's in neck with my Laura Mercier too. It's in like hand in hand because I really like them both a lot. Because one you get like full freaking volume and the other one you get like very fine points of your eyelashes. I let you decide which one. Yeah, let me know between both looks that I've ever done if you like which one, and yeah, how you feel on which one, because that makes more sense than what I just said. And if you're a long time subscriber, you know I love doing my bottom lashes. If you're new, you know now. So I just like doing the bottom ones because if you don't have really like any color or anything underneath, it gives it more life in my opinion. Gives those bottom lashes a year more life. I like to go back and forth just a little bit. Spice it up. So now we're all done with that. I'm not gonna setting spray it. Not again. I'll just pray that I don't smear my face into something, which I probably won't. So I'm using, I've never shown this before, but this is my number one, okay? Just number one favorite lip tint, I guess, because that's what this is. It's a velvet varnish lip tint. It's by Heimish. It's really good. I love their lip tints, just if you can't tell, okay, just ew. But I really like their stuff. I don't know if you could tell by the extremely used bottle, but oh, that looks very vibrant on camera. It's not as vibrant in person. It's like a very light color. Look, trust, it is not this bright in person. I don't know why it looks like that. It's probably because of my lighting and whatnot. Ooh, I pulled up my hair. Don't mind me. So now that is all done, I look, I can't wait to take these photos though. I think I look a little better in the photos. Okay, so now we're all done with this look. It looks like this, you know. I don't know why I raised my eyebrows on that, but okay. Looks like so, if you can see that. If you like this video, leave a like down below and subscribe while you're down there. Leave a comment if you'd like to see more of these, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.